जोड़े सब बाद समी, प्रीत बही एक साथी। आओ मिलकर बांधल सबको, पावनता की राखी। राखी का त्योहार, राखी का त्योहार, आत्मस्मृति का तिलक लगाए। भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना, ओ भैया मेरे छोटी बहन को ना भुलाना। देखो ये नाता निभाना निभाना, ओ भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना, ओ भैया मेरे छोटी बहन को ना भुलाना, ओ भैया मेरे। ये दिन ये त्योहार खुशी का, पावन जैसे नीर नदी का। भाई के उजले माथे पे बहन लगाए पावन टीका। झूमे ये सावन सुहाना सुहाना, ओ भैया मेरे, भैया मेरे।
I'm going to tell you about the importance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan celebrated on full moon day of the Hindu month in Shravan in July-August. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life. They in return give their sisters a gift, which is a promise to protect them from any harm. This day celebrates the bond between a brother for his sister. The history of Raksha Bandhan dates long back into the great Indian epic, the Mahabharata. Draupadi, the wife of the Pandavas, tore the corner of a sari.
Is the Hindu festival which celebrates the bond of brotherhood and affection of the siblings in the family. It is celebrated on Paurnami, the full moon day, in the month of Shravan. The meaning of Raksha is to protect. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. It is also called the festival of Rakhi. It is celebrating across all over India. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Raksha Bandhan means bond of protection. It is a festival of brother and sister. It is celebrating in the month of Shravanam every year. On this day, sister ties Rakhi to her brother wrist and brother gives gifts to her sister. Thank you. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. It is also called the festival of Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates on the bond of a brother and sister. It falls Purnima in the month of Shravan according to Hindu calendar. This festival also helps to build a healthy family relationship. Thank you. Which celebrate the bond of brotherhood and affection of the sibling in the family. It is celebrated on Paurnami, the full moon day in the Shravan. The meaning of Raksha is to protect and Bandhan is bandage of love, affection and care. On Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi is the main source of attraction as it is prepared by scattered thread decorated with colorful stones and other shining materials. Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of brothers. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. I am tying my brother Rakhi.
Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. Raksha Bandhan is also known as Festival of Rakhi. It is celebrated all over the India. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the band of brothers and sisters. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means to tie. Raksha
విరిసినది వెన్నెలే ఇలా అచ్చునా చెల్లి నవ్వులా స్వర్గమే నేరుగా మా ఇంట వాడగా
కురిసినది ప్రేమ చినుకులా అదే మా అన్న చూపులా కన్నులే తడిసిని నవ్వినా హాయిగా
నీ కంటికి రెప్పను నేనై తోడుగా ఉన్నాలే
నీ గుండెకు ఊపిరి నేనై ఇప్పుడు ఉంటాలే
అందుకే నువ్వు లేకనే లేనులే
అన్నా చెల్లెలి అనుబంధం జన్మ జన్మల సంబంధం గోరింట పండగ మా ఇంట పండగ.
I am telling you about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is an important festival of India. It is also called as Rakhi. It is the festival of brothers and sisters. Sisters tie a Rakhi on his brother's wrist and pray for his well-being. Brothers also promise to protect her and give a gift to her. Raksha Bandhan festival symbolizes brother-sisters love. It is celebrated all over the country with great joy. It comes every year on the month of August.
Raksha Bandhan is one of the famous festival of Hindus. It is also called the festival of Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the bond of a brother and sister. It falls on Purnima in the month of Shravan according to Hindu calendar. It is celebrated across all over India. On this day, sisters tie a special band on their brother's wrist as a mark of affection. This thread is called the Rakhi. The brothers in return takes a lifelong vow to protect their sisters. At every
रक्षाबंधन हिंदुओं का एक प्रसिद्ध त्योहार है। रक्षा का मतलब है सुरक्षा और बंधन का मतलब बाध्य होता है। ये भाई बहन का त्योहार है। ये श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा में मनाया जाता है। इस दिन बहनें अपने भाई की कलाई पर राखी बांधते हैं और प्रार्थना करते हैं और भाई अपनी बहन को उपहार देते हैं और हर समय पर
So here we go. Raksha Bandhan is a popular traditional ceremony of Hindus. Raksha Bandhan is also known as Rakhi Purnami because we celebrate this festival on full moon day of Hindu month of Shravana. Actually, Raksha Bandhan is a ceremony in which sisters celebrate with their brothers. We celebrate with our brothers' relationship to make it bond and strong for the lifetime. On this day, sisters will tie Rakhis to their brothers.
Raksha Bandhan is the most important festival of Hindus. It is also known as the festival of Rakhis. It is celebrated all across India. Raksha means protection. Bandhan means bond.
This is the festival of brothers and sisters. On this day, sisters put rakhi, sweets, diya, and haldi in a thali. Brothers bring their sisters' favorite things.
A festival which celebrates the bond of a brother and sister. It is one of the festivals in India. It is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of July or August. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brother to save them against illness and pray for.
Bandhan is a famous festival in India. It is celebrated all over the country with great joy. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Thus, bond of protection is called Raksha Bandhan. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the day of Shravan Purnima. On this day, sisters apply tilak on their brother's forehead and tie rakhi on their brother's wrist. Brother gives her sweet and bless her with good wishes.
Raksha Bandhan, as we all know, siblings carry a special place in our heart. However, the particular bonding of a brother and sister is very unique. They have each other and no bounds in their share is love. And the love they share bonding compare. No matter how much they fight another, they stay behind them in support. Brother and sister fight each other. Other trivial matter. Each of the words share a bond full of treasing and love. Brother and sister.
Raksha means protecting. In some places in medieval India, where women felt unsafe, they tied Rakhi on the wrist of men, regarding them as brother in this way.
ఎలా మొదలవుతుందంటే ఒకరోజు కృష్ణుడికి గాయమవుతూ ఉండగా ద్రౌపదీదేవి వచ్చి తన కొంగు చీరతో కృష్ణుడి గాయాన్ని పోగొడుతుంది. దానివల్ల కృష్ణుడు ఏమంటాడంటే, నేను ఏ బాబు వచ్చినా అన్నయ్యలాగా వచ్చి కాపాడతాను అని అంటాడు. అలా యముడు వాళ్ళన్న యముడికి కడుతుంది. అలా లక్ష్మీదేవి బలిచక్రవర్తికి కడుతుంది. ఇది దేశం వాళ్ళందరూ చేసుకుంటారు. మనం కూడా మన రాఖీ రోజులు అన్నయ్యకి తమ్ముడికి కడతాము. వాళ్ళు మనకి ఏమంటారంటే, మీకు ఏ ఆపద వచ్చినా మేము వచ్చి కాపాడడానికి ముందుంటామని అంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నమస్తే.
ఇలా నేను మా అన్నతో పండుగ జరుపుకున్నాను. మరొకసారి మీకు కూడా రాఖీ శుభాకాంక్షలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.